What's up, my people? Welcome back to the Rastaman Show. Yes, my people, boy, I tell you, I'm tired. I know you can't hear it in my voice. As you see me missing for about 2 days there. From Friday, I'm going to video, I'm going to Saturday, Sunday, to the Monday. Because as you hear, who are listening here, we did plan for the like a volunteer, something there. You know, my little family, I go back down the country, go do some give back. So, I just volunteer for drive one of the vehicle, so I can get a first-hand look on the situation from my eyes and my lens to bring to Uno. That come the 23rd, when I plan to go down there, which is on a Sunday, I have a little idea of how the things set up and whatsoever. So good that one of my long time big man friend come from part of Westmoreland. And they hear me talk yesterday. We up on the ends and they hear me talk. I must say, hey, which part you go where we talk? And I tell him, say, boy, I go down there to the, must say, when I go down there, so I tell him. So I tell him, say, boy, I don't even know which part if I Westmoreland or Chilani, I go or what yet. Because I don't really have no designate area to go. I just want to go. I know, say, I give some people some packages who really need it. As you know, my stance is needy, not greedy. I must say, boy, I feel up in a film district, mash up. I feel family house when born and growing as a man where as soon 62 him say, yeah. You know, and thing. People that up the strand did not get no support, nothing at all. So him say him willing to come on board and carry up a film place and thing. But you don't know going up by him would be a designated area, but along the way, we still are going to give out packages to people where we are going to see along the way. The one that I go over the weekend wasn't planned properly. There was a lot of misorganization where the thing is concerned and, miscommunication and stuff. And it's like my waste a whole day because the purpose, to me, me never see the purpose. We have to end up and give people who probably even need it. After we pass so many people along the way, St. Elizabeth, going into Westmoreland, need the things despite we never plan to stop because the warning that we have gotten from the police, people who experience things by going out there to try to aid people. But we could have used our eyesight, our vision, while driving along, knowing me as a man, I just drive and look at my bonnet. I use my eye and look as far as I can see. So I pass all 2 little people or 3 little people one away. I can view out the place quick and have some bag. We can just drop no whole heap of argument and we move and know so them get something. But 2, it was a miscommunication of this stopping thing and the Allen Bamboo stopping thing and my family think no, film woman now which a fair parish him did I go. Mainly. Think she did have people who suffer, but they did not suffer. Which part we go there, so at the greenest part from we left St. Elizabeth, coming in Westmoreland, everywhere else brown, like the tree them paint with brown. And when you reach it, so the place green, the minimal breeze we could have passed and touch some bamboo up in the hill and 2 little house is the least. We have to beg people to come out. Most of the stuff, I think about 150 bag and we carry back probably about 60 bag out tight. Well, 2 of the girls them was a part of the organization. So I'm going to put them together, put some more point and go down a rocky point because people need it down there. But that is that. But I am back and I come back Saturday night later me alone because those 2 girls me have to end up carrying them home a Spanish town and when everybody has gone home and one bag of something. So I was so tired and I have not made that drive for over 20 odd years. As a matter of fact, that's the first time I'm going driving myself. Me and the driver got that far in Hanover, Westmoreland. Furthest my drive go is Montego Bay. And that is like 20 odd years ago. The last time I traveled outside of Kingston or Clarendon when my auntie passed off in a Corona. So you know that take a toll upon me and then me a drive and I don't know where me a go. Me just a drive like me a go cross a Cuba. People, me tired. I know me not recover yet. But so it go. So on the 23rd of my thing and my acquaintance them thing, we put it together. It left up to them now because me done set the stage. Tomorrow now me get in contact with them and find out what them I do, because if they messed up, me just now go do it because me now go up on a wild goose chase. So me never get no time to do no video. Phone Friday, phone get it Saturday. Got the whole preparation. Then Saturday I know me did out and stuff. Come back Sunday tired, me just sleep. This man I couldn't even wake up to do a video. So me I try go into that video you know where me see two Manisha come out. One of them regularly depend Donna name. Yeah, two Manisha. And one of them I don't know, one of them I Dewiesha. The next one I want a name Global, but me them not got play him. Because me not give all them the knowings. Him come out and I chastise Donna for telling lies. And like Donna back in the government, Donna saying things, having calling show, having panels, and you know, and telling be lies. He feel offended about what Donna is doing. But when he once was an associate, when he once was an associate of such man, where them beat up the country and take with them goods. The Flandre, sleeping son. When that man did come out with all kind of propagandas and lies towards Juliet and Andrew, he was a part of this association, and me never see him come out and say nothing because why? He is a part of the clan. But whether Donna come out with misinformation, misunderstanding, or whatsoever, him see it fit to run out Pandana. And him a point out all him pointers and all him this about $10 million this way. And just say him a give MP and the $10 million is not for do this or do that. And one bag of mix up, but me them now go there so. But the point to me I say, he once was an associate with an individual that come out here where government and this country is concerned, come spread a lot of propaganda, and me never hear him run out. Even since they separated for how long now, him don't come out same way and admit or confess to some of those lies that he himself was behind. The same one they call himself must produce a global sitting another. You understand? But him feel fit, strong, energetic if he come out for Donna. Donna can't come out here come say nothing. As she talk, everybody seems to ride her back. And the things that she might said, other people out there might have said it. Other people also, if they're going to use that, the influence where she have, or the name where she have, or the platform where she have, there is so many other people with platform as big as hers, bigger than hers, as influence as her, and everything as said the same or even worse. And you know, hear them come out on them. But Donna are the weak fence. You understand? Yes, Donna are the weak fence. Them are Bill Gates and Donna are weak fence. Anyway, we're going to go into the baby Germs video. Because him now accused Donna of being, what you call it now, conspiracy to Solainie many of the times when Solainie has scammed him out of money. He want to blame Donna now to trying to buy his way in to Solainie so him can get news from Solainie. Solainie can't tell him things. You understand? Although during that time, he was the one who go on like, oh, he's the caregiver. for Solainie. Donna could have tell him what to do with the money. So he might blame Donna. And you don't know the whole 100 of always blaming Donna about what she has done. And him claim to say Donna used Bible and transparency to trick the people. But Donna was not being transparent enough. Because transparency means she's supposed to involve everything for people see. Well, I think him could attack our private business, could never. Our personal life could never. But he claimed to say she used Bible and transparency. You understand? Him come out now and him talk about Donna tell so much lies. Because Donna come out here come talk about how her father rich and her father own this and own big house up at this and up at that. But the father, she never come out here and show you about the father own house. But she carry them above rocks that are we the audience and show up above rocks. But me I go make uno hear and then me say what me have to say. Uno make uno judgment, form uno own opinion. So welcome back after 2 days. Sorry other way it have to come back. The quickest thing come up in my face. And me just scroll, me wake up, I don't hear my voice. About an hour ago, I wake up, but me lie down. They say, you know, say, come like me lie down for my voice same way. Me never up and stretch it out. So you got hear it kind of sound way. I mean, they scroll, because at the first, I get a little time to scroll. And the two Manisha, then me buck up in a back to back. Me never plan to go with the other Manisha. But when me see this now, I say, wow, this look like a sign, two Manisha. So I say, alright. Since him is in the diaspora, me not go really play the other one. I might just come and speak on behalf of what him did I say and just jump in at this. So you know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch the ads. We're gonna jump into the video. And please remember to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Please remember to watch the ads. It is now the festive season where you're going to see a number of ads. More than usual. Time fly, because this come like a last week, but they are telling you this. We're going to see a number of ads popping up now on the video because it's business time now for YouTube, where they will get a lot of commercial because you know the festive season is around the corner. So right back until early January, you're going to see a lot of commercial on these videos for monetized channels. And as I always said, I'm not telling you to sit down and watch a long video. No hour, 2 hour commercial. Right? But 2 minutes, I don't mind get 3, but 2 minutes of any long ads is good. That's good. I would suggest you watch 3 if there is a double ads. Because when you look on the screen, you can see when one ads are played, you see 1 of 2. So you know 2 ads. If the first ads is a long ads, watch 3 minutes tight and not watch no face. Because if you want to watch 2 and you skip that ads, you automatically skip the next ads behind it. So if you watch 3 minutes of that ads, you can cover for the 2 ads. Alright? Because I not tell you to sit down, because I not sit down and watch no long ads. Not even for myself. When I just start YouTube, I sit down and watch all 1 hour ads. I never watch it, I just put on the phone, make it play. Them time when I just start, because you know certain knowledge you don't really have. So you got to do it because your ear say, ads pay you. Alright? But now, I have certain more knowledge and thing and whatsoever. You don't need to watch the whole of the ad, the long ads them. 2 or 3 minutes is good. Alright? Anyway, make we jump right now the video. Because I don't have much time. Don't have much time, people. Donna, you me come about. Donna, you me come about.
I'm sharing my live stream. I have to share it first. Okay.
Come, Manisha, come. You take too long, man.
That's it. That's good now. You know, I wish I had this person's picture to put on my screen, but I don't have the picture. We're just gonna hear a voice in the background. Hi Claudia, what's up, my love? Big up to you too. Donna, I am a come out again, man.
Your oxygen, you need oxygen, so you come about Donna.
Donna, you see life?
Donna is your oxygen.
You see, being honest is always the best policy. We, as human beings, should know, or should we should tread that road. Being honest, being transparent. Donna, your form of transparency, it's not valid. I'm sorry. You claimed you was transparent, but in
All
reality,
of a sudden, it's not valid.
you never was transparent.
It's not valued all of a sudden.
Transparency means everything is above ground. With people, you and I can see everything, every aspect of everything we do. We are like water. You know, like a glass of water that is transparent. You know, like a plastic bag that's clear, that is also transparent too. Donna, you was never transparent. That was your trick. You not only pulled for the Bible and God to trick the mess, right? You also pulled a transparency card, which we know he was never transparent. Donna, you see you told a lot of lies. You told a lot of lies. One of those major lies we know is where you claim your father owned mansion up at Topaz Crescent. That was a big lie, because clearly, if my father owned a man...
One, me can't testify for that. Me can't tell you that. Me can't testify for that. I never know Father Dust was our father. During that time, so I'm not gonna tell you say yes, I know her during that time when me know Father Dust. You know. But what you're saying here, if you don't know what you're saying, it best you don't talk. Because I know of a fact that he do own mansion up there. And me I allow you to talk before me come and jump back in the next part. Yeah? When you are going to compare why she's a liar, that because she have never shown that mansion, but she take our audience to Above Rocks. Continue.
Me can go say, yo, people, my father was there. You did not do that. Donna, you bring me in the gully up Above Rocks. Down in that damn gully, and one time you was going there on me, I was afraid he might roll over and tumble down the damn gully. But you did, you managed to go down there. How is it possible we have not seen Topaz Crescent, upper Topaz Crescent? Why never we got Topaz Crescent? Donna, let me tell you something. You see, you have...
Alright, before you tell Donna anything, at what age Donna did say she leave her father and end up at Mountain View? Do you remember? Couple years well. She never have a chick nor a child during them time there. And she have picked now we are 20-year old. Alright. Leaving her father property to come to Mountain View, she tell you that it was not something, a decision which she make where her father did agree with. Right? So basically, she and her father wasn't seeing eye to eye. They have a fallout then, put it that way, based on what she say. Because we are quote what she say now. You understand? When she left her father place come a Mountain View, and no father would have sit well with that. None. So basically, she and him never say eye to eye. So probably, just assuming now, there wasn't any great communication after that. Right? So, with no communication after that, years after, she started giving birth of her own family. Remember, Above Rock, she was always being a part of Above Rocks, despite leaving there at one point to live with her father. She's always been integrated with above rocks. One of the capital of past people, the US capital them Holland. On top of that, majority of her family, her cousins and stuff, is from that side. Auntie, cousin, never niece, everything. So she more into that side of people. So it's simple mathematics, easy 1, 2, 3, easy ABC, that she will be more integrated with those set of family. So it will draw her more to go to above rocks. So I don't know, rocket science, you say boy, oh yeah, go above rocks, and above rocks not nice and pretty like your father mansion when have down there, so. The association with her, she and her family, her father was not there based on how she talk after she leave. So you will find her going to above rocks more. Where do you want to see the man also? Whether him have mansion or him not have no mansion, what that did have to do with you? But you just want to use this to prove a point that Donna is not transparent. So showing her father house that have something to do with charity. Let me ask you a question. She's showing or not showing her father house, what that have to do with fair transparency in charity? That she should have got take camera and show. See my father man. So basically you want she to go video her father mansion and brag and boast and come and say she a brag and boast upon material things. Vanity. And she a mag upon mass, say her father have big house. And that's what you want to say. Because showing her father house not have nothing to do with charity. So how transparency come in showing you her father house, and two, she not show it. She's not transparent because there's a lot of things that she don't show, and you're supposed to be transparent like a clear plastic bag. Eh? I saw you do want to see the mansion?
Have exposed not just yourself, but little Joshie to a life you now cannot give him anymore. You know, the other day you went down to the Villa Deluxe, yes. And when you got Villa Deluxe and you came back to Kingston, you said, oh, you have to pay your staff. Pay your staff for what? For a free vacation. That a one-time meet their partner sell time out pay live stream. She cannot sit back at your house.
What she paying her staff for? A free vacation? I'm not sure, but I probably can assume that vacation was a promotional vacation. And whenever you do a promotional, you go on a promotional assignment. Basically, money. For somewhere like that, basically, they would have housed you. It come under whatever transaction, whatever deal you come under. Them have to house you because you promote the village, the hotel, the whatever, the Airbnb, whatever it is. So them have to house you. It's not like you just come and you say, yes, this is very right, and you just run through. Them have house you. The deal like them have house you, you know, if you show people how much you enjoy the luxurious life and whatsoever. The service that they provide. You understand? So I can swear, or I wouldn't say swear, but assume that free vacation that you're speaking of was for a paid promotion. And if she ever carry her staff them down there to be a part of her team, whatever she earn, we know she's going to give them something from it. Whether she did tell them say she will give them something from it, or she just carry them and she collect the bulk of the money and them who do know say I pay, we know she is going to. She not gonna sit well and not give them something. So you're gonna make it look like Donna tell a lie like she pay them to go down because you're gonna say it's a free vacation, so what she a pay for? The vacation is free because it come on a promotion, but it's a paid promotion. It's so be the case. But you know, on not sit down and think about these things you wanna do. There is three way to anything you wanna talk about this woman. And three of the way is two of the three ways are good. But you don't choose none of these two. You wanna skip this, I wanna skip this. I wanna go for the one where you feel within yourself can suit on a cause. You feel within yourself can suit the lies you gonna bring come to create a fabricated story, to create a content. It wanna choose that one you have to pass this and pass this. Because why? A Donna not come talk about. So we not gonna expect better.
The Igo. As she said, Paula said she can't sit down your house and be Igo. Why she do that? Are you not paying her? You don't pay her enough money, Donna. You love to talk about staff, though. You love to talk about staff. Where you have money for
people? Me know people where I work, especially this happen with most time like bartenders. If a bartender don't into a bar where active, let me say active, she a go come and she a go sit down for 3/4 of that time that she's there not doing anything. She no want to work there. Because one, it a go make she sleep down the place. She a go pouring. She no want to work there. Remember, you know, bartender working on a commission, you get paid off, you know, you get paid off your days where you work. So if she even did it and not sell one item and she sleep out the whole day and she not live a straw, she still a get paid. But what? She no want that. She want somewhere active. I go and use another reference. He used to have a certain footballer. I can't call him name. Andrew Sinclair. The man, they're full of talent. And I remember when Portmarant United in a Jamaica local football was a top team. Them bring the biggest name come here come play. Them time the Caribbean baller, them never get that privilege if they go out like a England and Europe and them place there. Them bring Leonce Lewis, Lottie P from Trinidad. Before Dwight, yeah, those ballers was the two biggest ballers for Trinidad and them a play for Portmarant. This youth having skill. Andrew Sinclair, A.K.A. Big Head. And him a get paid. Because pay Portmarant. Portmarant was one of the first clubs in Jamaica where pay baller for play. How much thousands of dollars. Because money out there run because of... You understand? Yes. And Andrew Sinclair out there sit down on the bench and not get no game. And him tell them no come here to sit down on bench. Remember him a get paid. Him can go out there get a broke foot, a broke ankle, a broke hand, injury. But the man say him not come here for showcase him talent. Him want play. And him a get paid to sit down. So I'm saying to you, there's a lot of people out there, when I said this, out there, not because them a get paid and them willing to sit down. And that is probably just the term that Paula used. She not come here for idle. Despite she get paid, she come here for work. You have some people in a sit down thing. Very few people who are glad to sit down on a work site and not get paid. Very few. You have people who want to work. That work them not come to sit down. So in that terms, Paula might use that now, and you are going to try to use that like you try to say Donna not pay them. And how many times we see what $1,000 Donna issue to these workers? Eh?
You have money up your staff. Donna, how much staff you have left around you right now? You can say, yes, I'm paying this person to do things for me. Donna, are you paying Paula? You pay Paula any money? You pay Tina any money?
Free labor.
Who are you paying money?
Who are going to do free labor and devote so much time to the person who never do the free labor for? Eh? Who are going I give people free labor without any force of doing it. And I go give people free labor. Like oh me say Paula, Tina them devote them time in and around Donna. Them must get paid. Them must get paid. Because if you even now come and say allegedly to Paula no say boy the planker them will send her money and send her this wife. Come on, that is not sure. I am not going to devote all my time for unsure payment. I want to devote my time for sure payment. Anything will come as addition after that come. Then if somebody call me now and say, alright, here what? Me I give you a job you know, but here what me know. You have two options. You have an option that I will pay you $50,000 a week. And you have an option if you don't take pay, you can gain all 100, 200,000 a week by people just sending you money. You think me I take the option of gaining 200,000, probably me gain 200,000 a week? No. Me I take the one where have 50,000 where it's a sure payment. So me want to know now, Paula would have devoted so much time, Tina would have devoted so much time to Donna and Donna business and not getting paid? You must say mad. And knowing Donna, she not have nobody around her. I do that and she make kinds and them not get kinds. She not show herself as that person at no time. If people when they around her, I do nothing cannot get kinds. If people were lazy and just pass around her at times and lazy like that and them get kinds, judge somebody will devote them time to her and her business and her son. Eh? How she finna pay them?
The money. My mouth dry. Donna over me. What on?
Boy, you're not senseless though, I'm not lie.
Donna, who are you paying me a house for? You say it's your
You're not
staff,
sound educated, but you're not
staff.
senseless.
Which staff you paying?
We don't know education.
Donna, which staff are you paying? You have money for your staff?
She broke
Donna,
like a
come
church
here.
low, she don't have dollar.
You know?
She don't know show off like she have money.
People are find stagnant, and you yourself in a fight, you have become a stagnant Betty too. Every day you come past social media, sit up for your ass and I press shit. Respectfully, Larry advice you sit up for your ass and press shit down in Davenport. How are you? How is you, Donna Gow, making any kind of meaningful move in America? You yourself can say this is progress. Your talk say I go buy house.
You ask Marcia who are your friend with the America for 48 years. We sit down for life just as how Donna that sit down for life in America. Marcia know America more than Donna. But here say she can't depend live. Marcia F, she depend live. She a Nyam, she depend live. She depend date, she depend live. Everything she do, she depend live. You ask her that question there. And if Marcia is not benefiting financially as much as Donna will benefit, why you don't ask Marcia what she do on live, the reason for her to depend live like that? You're concerned about the time that Donna spent on live. Donna being on live is a part of her financial income. And she see her way out where she's earning something that she's satisfied with, that give her that adrenaline to continue to do it. Why you have a problem? You is into England. You sit on your platform writing your mess day on top of day. I think me scroll and see one live where you do like you crawl go in your bathroom and soak off the feces off of you. You understand? Because the days on top of days feces itch and pan you, so you sit down, which why you sit down in a water like a bathroom tub and soak the feces off of you. You can depend live for such educated person who have the opportunity to also becomes a lawyer, work in government firm, companies all over England. Now you're sitting on your life. What you're earning? Tina will do the same thing as a businesswoman according to what them say. They're not earning what Donna earn on social media. And they can feel fit to stay on social media just as you. So why can't Donna who are seeing her way through what you not see her way through on social media? Can't sit down on Fair Life. And each time when you come out here, it's all about Donna. When Donna come out here, it's not about Uno. When last Donna even threw a shade at any of you? When last? I can't tell when last me Donna threw a shade at any of you. So that only goes to show you say, if Uno no call for your name, Uno can't see a sly pen. You understand? And Donna not have to call for Uno name. For see $sign. Not sly pen, $sign. Because $sign come with good payout. Sly pen, I like you just get back a little lunch money or a bus here if you go back to your yard. Like when you learn trade. It's like a voluntary service. But them just give you a stipend because you have to pay a bus here. And Uno now come off of social media. Uno now come off of fear name. And a fear name make Uno hang on pan social media. But chief come off to suit Uno. And because Donna now showing her business no more in her phone. Me never know say Donna did set time and date with you because she borrow loan from you if you go buy house. Donna borrow loan from your boy if you go buy house. So, you know, see the house yet, so you have a problem. If so be the case, most time when you borrow a loan, it come with interest. So she will pay the interest. Don't worry about it. When house come, you will see house. And if you must see house, you will never see house. Gone are the days that she bring every jack thing out here on phone come show you. When some of them materialize and you can see it, you know we see it. Why you not ask Marcia how much here she in America, how she don't buy a house? And she was far ahead than her back in them days there. Why you not ask Tina why she don't buy a house? Why you ask Tina, we not ask Tina why she have to be catching all over the place? Marcia the same thing. Why you don't ask them that? Why you so concerned about somebody who don't even speak about you, don't even remember you? Why you don't concern about your colleagues, Marcia, Tina? Concern about them. Right now they're like a wild cat. At 6 o'clock come down, them jump from wall to wall, fence to fence. That's Tina and Marcia right now. They're like wild cats, running from next door to next door to next door to next door. Don't have any abiding city. And those are two persons who you associate yourself with, who's in America for over 140 years and 130 years. Go and ask them about a house. Don't ask Donna who's just doing probably a year and a little bit now. Go and ask Tina and Marcia.
Taxi, I go buy a house of foreign. Donna tell your plank.
She free to say anything off your mouth.
Donna tell your plankination that the house you're living right now in Davenport. Tell them say you released it because you're broke, you don't have no money to pay for a new house. So
funny enough, she lives somewhere and live comfortable. Check your friend Marcia and Tina where they live. That is what I'm concerned about.
Donna, if you have money the way you claim, if you have money the way you claim, why couldn't you encourage Ladie and your son in the army to go and get a veteran's loan on behalf of his mother to buy our house and pay the money small back to the damn loans people? Why you couldn't do that? Why you can't do that?
If your mother have money the way oh she says you say she have money, and she buy you car expensive as how much £1,000, why she can't buy you a nice little house put it in her? Cause this look like which part you live and a fear house where she claim to say she buy for how much money. And this which part you live is either council house or you pay rent, lease, whatsoever you want to pay. Your mother should have able to buy you a house. Cash. You come out here come brag how much your mother have. And far more than what Donna have. And you state what your mother buy and buy cash. And you're living in feces. You're living in feces. They hug them down a river town and live better than you. Even they hug them down a St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland, when they have no pastor right now to stay around. Them have to depend on them own because them own themselves right now. I look something to eat. Much as to find something to give them to eat, them have to depend on them own. I live better than you right now. So you're supposed to concern about yourself and your two other friends them. Your mother rich and she not buy you a house put in. But you worry about Donna. Donna tell you say when rain fall or snow fall, it'll come in pan her. Donna tell you say sunlight a catch her. When she in her house, she have one roof where a be a sunlight a come through. Why you worry about Donna house? The world don't go and get a shock on the life. And when you don't get a shock on the life, you're not going to move on to something else. Yes, you're not going to move on to something else. But never try to study a Capricorn, yeah? Never try to study a Capricorn. The only thing surprised me, Capricorn don't normally show things, and then I was that type of person. But then again, probably, you know, because our people trust her so much, and she get to love the trust with our people, them trust her, who support her. She try to make them be a part of her personal life and family. So she should have shown them certain things where uno take, twist and turn and create narrative about it. And she get wise up and she start keep certain things away out of social media. Before it manifests, some of them, probably even when it manifests, she still not show no. Some at start she not show it what she don't normally do, but when it manifests and come to, you don't see it. But Capricorn don't normally show nothing. Capricorn don't normally own nothing. We own all the whole airport and we sign off for one. I saw Capricorn stay. I people things, man. And I'm my one. So you will never know what I own or what I have. That's the only difference. But as I say, because of she after being, you know, making her supporters and her platform feel a part of her, because she see the love and respect and honesty with them, the honesty with them believe in her. She just have to just know say, boy, yes, these are part of my family. Never know say creature, demons, serpents, maggot, gingerfly like uno would have manifest. But then again I saw it go. You understand? I fall lay 5-6 egg. Couple possible for spoil. I just saw it go. I have couple piglet. You have 1 dozen, 15, 20 piglet. Don't feel like all of them are gonna come and survive. Along the way, if not just as them come out, couple of them are gonna pass. So I just saw life go still.
You own all of those $millions of cars in Jamaica. I'm gonna say millions.
That I worry. I don't fear one them.
And Donna, to be quite frank, I found out recently you owned another fourth car, a Harrier. Harrier I did not know about before. Me know about the X, the CRV, the big van. I didn't know one of them Harrier.
Yo! If I'm not lying, as a matter of fact, I don't know about the CRV. I don't know about the CRV. After the black van, you correct me if I'm wrong, the black van, where the whole of them say a funeral van. Then come the Harriet. Isn't that so, people? Let me know in the comment section. After the black van, the step wagon, then come the Harriet. So, me no know about the CRV. I always hear Donna say she loves CRV. But me no remember about the CRV. But I am sure that after the step wagon, it was the Harriet. So me no know where I say him no know about the Harriet.
Donna, you spent multi-million dollars, a lot of millions on all of
She
those
don't
cars.
spend no money because she broke.
Buy one like a 5,000 car America.
She broke.
Let's
Come with that again.
Let us say 10,000. Where can I buy one $10,000 car America? You're not rich again. Are you not rich? Donna, are you not rich, Donna? Hmm?
So the narrative is kinda you're the first me here say it. Why she not buy a car in America? And she rich and she have her money. The narrative behind this, she broke, she not have no money. They're not looking at it. Say at this point, they're not used to driving in America, especially driving on the opposite side to Jamaica. Secondly, Donna might be driving well over about 2 years now, but Donna is still not any pro where driving is concerned. She might can angle herself. You understand? So, probably driving on the left hand side of the road, she don't have to rush into buying a car to park in the driveway or the parking lot of the apartment or which part she lives. Waiting on her daughter to drive it when her daughter them have them car. If she want to move to Pine and they are available, they take her. If she have to take a Uber, she take a Uber. Why it a worry Uno for Donna buy car in America? Donna tell us that she want car in America at this point. Probably further down she might think of. When she more settle in and I do her thing and and I get used to the road herself. She tell us that she want car in America.
I'm rich. If I am rich, how is it possible me I gonna say
The amount of billionaire you have when you
appointment
go on a
with
steering.
orthodontist consultation, and I'm gonna wait till my birthday of next year to do veneers. Gonna look at Spice. Big up Grace Hamilton. Look at Spice. Look at my name again. Cartel. All of them are using them own money, to not only build houses, but try to.
You don't even have surplus adult pampers to send come our home. Noel homes are one of them homes down the country. You don't even have surplus plus pampers. Cause you need few adult pampers yourself. If you come and talk about look at Spice, look at Cartel, look at this. You cannot compare Spice Cartel with Donna. You cannot compare Spice money, Cartel money with Donna money. But yet still she are doing what she are doing. You understand? You now come out here come say Donna come out here come make a statement that she are not taking any charity money. She going to do something out of her pocket. And she did do what she have to do. Then because of floods of call coming in, which people sitting down waiting for her to do something to send them money because she's the only trustworthy person they can trust. Not like the few was around before she was someone associate herself with back then where you used to take people their money and them not see what it do. The old woman want 5 sheet of zinc when I only 1 sheet of zinc she want. She want a back door and she want a front door and all the bathroom door a pop off. And the boy might pass and see her in the house. When the old woman alone live, boy I go pass and see her in the house and she alone live. She only want 1 back door, uno say she want front and back. She want 8 zinc, uno say she want 1 zinc, uno say 8, and all those money going on her pocket. And sometimes uno do even change the zinc, uno get carpenter go up, they go shift the zinc them, put stop leak over them, put this under them, for the water run off, for the place and leak, uno put the money on her pocket. Donna wasn't like that. So the people them did sit down and wait till she start tell them what to do. What you have given. Look and pour me. I spent over 60,000 already. And when these vehicles going down with a 4 or 5 vehicle, each one of them are going to take actually 10 gallon of gas. Where 10 gallon of gas, because you have to fill them tank and hope that the vehicle them burn good can carry you up back. 10 gallon of gas is a minimum of 7,750. based upon the gas station where you go buy that. And if me go use at least 3 or 4 vehicles, put it at 7,000, that's another 21,000 upon the 60 when me spend already. And when you reach down, you know, based on how your tank stay, some vehicle can carry you back. Like a Pro Box when I really burn much gas, we can you full the tank, it's supposed to can carry you and carry you back. But certain other vehicle we might use might burn gas. But put it at even 25,000 for gas where I got response for. With actually 60,000 or 60 little bit when I spend already. Rice, flour, pampers, toilet paper, you name it. You understand what I say to you? And me and nobody. Uno have no big money, uno money broad so can spread in a bed. Uno money wanna spend in England can wrap around if you're adult pampers if you run out. What have you donated? Eh? What have you sent back? Nothing. But you gotta compare Spice and Cartel with Donna where I do the liquor what she can do. She do what she can do. Unlike you, where back then did I do more than what you can afford to do out of your government pension waiting the way you are get. You understand? Out of your government money, you try buy your way in a big league. When a small league, you feel, you know.
Get some families established again in Jamaica. Why you can't do it? That's why you can't use your own money to establish people in Jamaica too. How is it possible? You claim you have money come out to all your old them. You have money come out to all your old them. Yet still, you Donna have not made any impact yourself in Jamaica where you yourself claim to be a humanitarian / philanthropist. I could have got so.
Yeah.
Why is it possible? Donna, why are you out here digging at those old people's eyes? Why are you digging at the old people them eyeball to give yourself good name? Why you can't use the one that come money and help people? You want to help.
That was them saying, you know, right? Donna do one of them are old people, so him are old people too. Him are one of the old people them back then.
Donna, stop they got the old people them yai by your backside page. In fact, Donna, go look work. Donna, go and look at backside work and stop eating the people them. Donna, one of your plantation come out and say, I was just again. She said something.
You sit down and you about poor people money over England then and taxpayers money.
In reality, you know, the people the money because look, you get big like Baron. Donna, you ate a lot of our money. You bought a lot of cheesecake, a lot of Ferrero Rocher. You bought Donna, you did a lot. You know, a big shark, big dolphin, big whale. You ate a lot of things for our money, and in return,
Bonnie.
just spread way.
Alright, Bonnie, sir.
Donna, how do you feel to know that you will be disgraced? Plank Nation, I don't give a shit what you guys say.
Disgraced by who?
Donna will be disgraced.
By who?
Nothing on a say or do, even hate me for, I don't give one fucking shit. I want my money back from Donna. The money Donna stole from me. Donna Gal stole from me.
Donna, why you rob him?
Via deception.
How will you rob him?
Donna,
Our knife point, which one?
It's like, you know, me know, so them are talking.
How will you grab him wallet and run, Donna? Why you rob him? You grab him wallet and run?
And I'm talking about people's money you stole. You need to give back people their money. Anyone who said they want about their money, give it back to them, Donna. You're not ashamed. Do you like being disgraced?
Hungry, I got K-I-L-L, yo. Hungry, I got K-I-L-L, yo. You not get back no money if you go buy no adult pampers. You go and live in the feces to the cake camp and you like when Mason put on cement on wall. And when you can't take it no more and get uncomfortable, you go sit down in the water like how you sit down and hold a beard and dip on life. I hold a wash up, not a beard, a wash up.
Donna Gal. Clank boss, hear me well. Thief, scammer, con artist, kleptomania, prolific thief. Hear me well, Donna Marigo. You always talk, say, you can't sue nobody if them don't call your government name. I am calling your name.
Cruelty to dumb animal. No, Donna see it as cruelty to dumb animal. Cause I use like a dumb animal. You got to talk about sue you.
Face me in a court.
Cruelty to dumb animal. If Donna sue you.
Face me doing Fletcher Francois Fletcher in a flipping court of law. Donna Marigo, old
You is like a puppy on a leash and you lead the puppy say you go give him some food or water and throw him off in the gully.
Thief, Donna Marigo, you are a criminal. Plankabas, I have caught you. I don't care what you say. I don't care what any one of your supporters say about this whole thing. I have caught you. Let me tell you something. I am proud of myself. You know why I'm proud of myself, Donna? Because I had sense. When Kwame made his revelation, I had sense.
You never want to hear about that Kwame situation, yeah?
On I scrutinized him very well. And Donna, on my life, on my mother, on the God I love, who blessed me with life today, I am telling you, Plankabas, I have caught you a scammer. I have caught you a thief. You told lies. In fact, you done it. You exploited Kwame's eyes. Donna go, Plankabas, Donna Marie go, teaching my cooking skills. Auntie Donna with empty arm back second stuff. You exploited Kwame's situation. Shame of yourself. You are a disgrace to humanity. You are a disgrace to the core ethos of what a humanitarian should stand for. You are a disgrace to your parents.
You're a disgrace to the Disability Association. You,
the one who died in
Dwayne Fletcher, you're a disgrace to the Disability Society. You.
COVID. So Donna, I'm gonna tell you this much. Like father, like daughter. You and your father are two peas in a pod. Both criminals.
You don't know Donna father from nowhere.
I'm gonna tell you something. Any day named day that you come on United Kingdom soil, any day named day that Donna Gow, Donna, this is not the threat. Yeah,
yapper man.
Any day
You said that before. I see Shanti there over there and you tell him which part to find you, which part to come. When you feel just show up yourself.
My dead grandmother, my whole being.
You did say that about Ashanti too.
Get you arrested. Come to the UK.
You did say that about Ashanti.
Do a meeting, do something.
You just love chat out of your thinking mouth. Your teeth them come like when yellow yam overripe. Your teeth them look like when yellow yam overripe.
I'm a vulnerable citizen of this country. I'm a vulnerable citizen of this country.
You use Donna name for toothbrush and toothpaste.
With the evidence I have my phone. The evidence I presented to Scotland Yard thus far. Donna, you are a criminal. Donna, let me tell you something that you don't know. And I don't know if I should say this to you, but I'm going to say it nonetheless. This is not a UK thing alone or an American thing. Donna, this thing has gone international. Do you hear me? Any country you've taken money from, any country your platform took money from in Jamaica. Donna, do you know the American authorities are in consultation with our...
Alright, inside source.
Donna, let me tell you something.
Alright, inside source.
There's a saying in life.
Collaboration with
first,
the international body of law enforcement, Dwayne Fletcher. You know all that is issuing out on the table.
I'm gonna get the best stuff out of you. You think you're good? Wait and see. Anyhow, people, we are something more happening here. A Plankination is out here on Donna. Pertaining to money that Donna got stolen.
You know, some never want to listen to that part of people.
The criminal.
One could not see this when you fungo wongo from over
the scammer.
Facebook.
Gow.
I don't think I play this. I mean, I give them the no noise. Nah, I give them the no
I want
noise.
all back. Every freaking penny. I want to buy Donna. Go to Paula. Tammy Faye. Do your calculation. Donna, let's not forget. You helped Solainie. You helped Solainie to scam me too. I have videos on my phone, Donna.
When this a junkie, I play big. want to take up
A lot of
Solainie
times, the Solainie is right beside it, feeding me lies.
as is adopted
Solicit
or
money from me.
adaptation of Solainie. Who
You
you
have
to?
my number. You know, because the way I like shit, I don't get money.
I lie.
You allowed it to
You
happen.
force to give
Which means
Solainie your money and
aided
then have to take the responsibility to call you and tell us I lie Solainie I tell.
to scam me. And
When
now
you get Donna Solainie most of your money, Donna don't know nothing at all. Because you did start go
minus
through and give
1,500
Solainie your money straight.
that Suzette
Not true, Donna.
Suzette Williams and Janet Thompson, 750 each. I gave to
Remember
Solainie.
you did
Minus
start give
those
Solainie
two money,
Donna your money. Figure
I
Solainie
want
and I
back
go
every
straight to
penny
Solainie.
I sent to Solainie
Oh,
because of
try
your
remember that.
actions. Every penny. And I want back every penny I sent to your platform that you use theft by deception to scam me for. Me want it back. Yeah, take too long. Any of people,
People,
put the teeth picture.
me now go play that girl from over there, so the man royal girl here. That dyke here. That butch there. Me now go play her. Cause them a must woman lover make them behave so. So here what wanna do, let's up on yourself, get back to the rhythm, you know, and see what can go on this week. Me miss out 2 days and amount of text message, me say WhatsApp message, call, you know, but me know wanna go to feel. But if you don't follow on the sister boy, not do me still. Because when I realize my post on the backup page, when I see my post on it, plus me did Donna tell me say me I go country and stuff. So when you have reason to believe say that, but you know I think otherwise you not see me. But someone just want to know what happened to me, because I don't get no video. Anyway, I don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch it and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and please remember to watch the ads. Go on the website of Charms and Trends that shop. The link is in the comment section, pinned in the blue writing. When you press the link, there goes the website open up. Anything you see over there, get it customized. Pictures on the tumblers, your water bottles, Speak My Mind t-shirt, Speak My Mind caps, Life is a Mission t-shirt. Bless up on yourself. I am back. Alright? To Manisha.